Hello guys, today we are going to analyze the gold market for entire this week, and as you guys can see right now we are in a daily time frame. So last week we provided two ideas about the gold trend. The first idea we suggested was that the gold trend would be bullish, and indeed it turned out the way. So I said that maybe we would see that price respect into this demand zone, and this demand zone push the price up for us into this supply zone that we have here. So uh, if you like, you can go and watch the previous video too. So right now I also want to give you some opinions and ideas for the gold trade too in the daily time frame. So first things that we have is that maybe we will see the trading range between this daily demand zone and daily supply zones until the price reject one of these supply zones or demand zones. We can see this trading range. And the second idea that we have in the daily time frame, that we can see that price keep going down, reject this demand zone that we have here, also keep going down to fill this gap, and if we would like it, we see that price just tap into this demand zone, and if we see any entry point, we can go for a long trade. So this is the second idea for the gold market. And the third things that we have is that maybe we will see that price do something like this, market maker hunt some stop losses above this shadow, and also keep going up to sweep this trend line structural liquidity. If we see that price close above this shadow here, we can say that we have the break of a structure, the BOS. So we confirm that we are in an uptrend in the daily time frame. So in this case, we can say that we just complete the swing structure, substructure, and right now price is going to create the new swing structure for us. So this was the third concept. And the last thing that we have, maybe we will see that price come into this level of price just sweep this trend line structural liquidity with a shadow, and after that we see that price just come down into this demand zone that we have here. So right now let's go into the 4-hour time frame to see what just happened. So you guys can see that we just did change of character here, and we break the structure here. So we confirm that we are in an uptrend in the 4-hour time frame. So if we see that price come down into this demand zone, we can go for a long trade, but we guys need to be careful to set our stop loss under this shadow here, because we have this equal low liquidity here, and maybe market maker want to hunt some stop losses, because people put their stop loss under these two shadows that we have here. Or maybe we will see that price come down to fill the 50% of this gap, and after that price keep going up into this supply zone. You guys just need to keep these ideas into your minds, and it's depend on you that you want to go for a long trade, short trade, and this kind of stuff. And if price want to go up, we will see that price price will sweep this equal high liquidity, and price will tap into this supply zone. So again, you can go for a short trade from this supply zone. So let's say that I told you in my previous video I said that if you see any entry points, you can go for a short trade from this supply zone. But as you guys can see, price reject the supply zone, and if you are a professional trader, you can understand why price just reject this supply zone. The reason is that because we just had this gap here, and after price just fill this gap, price decided to go down. So if you was a good trader, you could go for a short trade from here. And one point I want to mention in this video is that the market is multi-time frame, and you need to pay attention to all the time frames, and I want to tell you the reason. If I go in a 1-hour time frame, I will tell you the reason. So let's go into the 1-hour time frame. As you guys can see, in the 1-hour time frame, we can see the better supply zone for going a short trade. So after price tap into this supply zone, we can see that we get our confirmation for a short trade. So we could open our position from here. We could set our stop loss above this shadow, and we could target this low as our first target, and second target would be this demon zone, and the third target would be this demon zone again here. So that's the reason I'm telling you that you guys need to pay attention to all the time frames. So in this case, you guys can see that we was in a downtrend until we break this high. We did change of character. Again, we break this high. We did break of a structure. So we confirm that right now we are in uptrend, and we can open the long positions. So as you guys can see, price just react into this hidden 1 hour time frame demon zone. So again, you could go for a long trade from here. You could target this high, and your second target would be this supply zone here. So price was keep going up, breaking a structure, breaking a structure, and this kind of stuff. And you guys can see right now, you guys need to pay attention because price didn't close under this shadow here. Price was, you know, tapping under this shadow with the shadow. So maybe we can say price just wanted to fill some gap, or I don't know, stop hunt some long positions in the lower time frame, for example 5-minute time frames, the scalpers. And maybe we will see that in this week price, you know, come down to fill this gap. If you see any entry points, you can go for a long trade from here, or if you didn't see an entry point, you can be patient and until the price come down into this demon zone, and after that in this demon zone you can go for a long trade. And the reason is actually you can go for a really good long trade because we did the, for example, we did the change of character in the 1 hour time frame, so price will continue to come down until we just tap into the demon zone that could push the price up for us. So you can get a good long trade in this week, or another case that maybe we'll see that again price keep going up into this supply zone, but I don't think so. But if price, you know, keep going up from here, you can be patient to see that price reach into this level of price to go for a down trade from here. Actually, this won't be happen. I don't think that this idea would be good for the trade, but you can go for a long trade from here or here into these dimensions. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will upload some new videos in this week too for the gold market.